Alright, so hey guys, it's Ksenia. So today my mom is letting me raid her closet, her dress closet. We're going out to eat, so I need something to wear. She has a freaking million dresses, so I'm gonna try some on and we're gonna see what we find. I'm gonna find like 3 or 4 that I really like. I'm gonna try them on and you guys are gonna tell me which one's your favorite. There's the woman of the hour. All right guys, I'm handing the camera over to my mom. Here you go. So come. All right, so let's look. What do I want to wear? I like this.
Okay, you can take it.
It's like shopping, but not in your own closet. You know what I mean? You guys should make, I've never seen anyone make this type of video. Go raid your mom's closet. Find something good. And steal it. That's cute, but not for tonight. Ooh, what's this?
Oscar de la Renta.
Oh, snap. I'm gonna try this on. We need like 4 choices, and then we'll choose one. Cute, cute. Like that. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. I think it's gonna be big on me. This is so cute, but it's gonna be big too. Cute, but that's more for lunch. I need something for dinner. Alright, now I'm gonna try on these 3 and you guys are gonna tell me which one I should wear. Okay, step out of the closet. Okay, come in. Okay guys, this is dress number 1. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I like it, I like it. Okay, now we're gonna try on dress number 2, bareback. Ready? Can you just zip me? Wait, hold on. Is it good? What do you guys think? Let's see. Oh my god, this is so cute! If I was going to a wedding, I would definitely wear this. So this is dress number 2. I'm gonna try. Okay, come in.
Oh my god.
I also found these heels.
No.
Is this the one? Let me see. Wait.
Не сломай каблуки.
Oh my. Oh girl. Wait, guys, so now you need to accessorize. Come in. I know we're running. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does this match? Okay, guys. This is number 3. I like number 3. What was your favorite? 1, 2, or 3? Comment below and let me know if I should do another rating closet type thing. Comment, share, like, subscribe to my videos.